All right, if you're renting or just can't commit and you think that you can't have gorgeous walls, you are wrong. Wall Blush was so great, and they sent me the Eleanor Peel and Stick wallpaper. This is the self-adhesive, removable, and renter homeowner friendly wallpaper solution. Here I have the 10 by 10 kit, so I'm unrolling it and then it tells you exactly where to cut on the dotted line. It's great because it'll tell you which one is the top and which one is the bottom so that you can line them all up, make sure that you have all the pieces in the places that you'd like them. I had my husband help me with this, so he definitely was a big help and pulled out a tool that I really think that you should get. This 360 laser level, I'm going to link it below. It's an investment, but let me tell you, if you're into hanging your own wallpaper, you will absolutely not regret having this. So as you unroll the paper, you're using their scraping tool to smooth it out. I have smooth walls. I know some people still use this on textured walls, but working out those air bubbles and not putting yourself in a big rush really helped. I do have to say, I thought this was going to take us about 20 minutes. My husband said it was going to take us an hour, and he was right, but he is definitely more detail-oriented than I am, and it paid off in this situation. So again, renters, DIYers, anybody who wants a quick room transformation, give it a chance. Check this out. What a huge change. Suddenly this room has come to life without any damage to my walls, and I don't have to worry about my commitment issues. Check out Wall Blush. I have it linked below. Enjoy.